The next one is a Golf clutch and flywheel, which is 56 minutes and 40 miles. So let's get to that. Yo, alright, we're back. Golf here. Oh, got the flywheel shot to bits on this thing. You're only here, I think, someone by main road. But the judder, see if I can. Well, everything's shaking like that. I'm wobbling like. I don't know if you can hear that. Shot to bits. Check the judder on this, ready? Maybe you can hear that. Look at that. Look at that. Jesus. Yeah, that come like a big mess. Right, let's get this one apart. This is decent, easy one to do. Right, let's get to it. Got to wrap this arse off, isn't it? That is completely fooked. That flywheel is completely gone. Right, tools for this. Ratchet, little gun, big gun. Right. So, what do we want for this one? 10, 13, 18. 16 extension where are you? Where are you hiding? Favourite wobbly, obviously. Want that flattened screwdriver, also need for this thing. Water pump pliers. Actually, use the smaller ones on that. Water pump pliers. 17 for the wheel nuts. 16 for the ball joint. Lower arm. Possibly that one. Was 27. Goes there. I'd say on this one. Spline. 10, should be a 10. Could be wrong, could be right. Right, what else do I need for this? Right, let me think. That goes there. That's that, 13s. Oh yeah, of course. Where are you? That quarter drive 13. That's to get the slave off. That'll do. Alright, let's get to it. We're on beloved gravel again, as usual. I pet hate. Cannot stand bloody gravel. Drives me mad. It's horrible stuff. Right, get us apart. Gearbox. Alright. 9 times out of 10 that just pops over. If you're gentle enough with it, that's it. I'm not bolting the 5mm. Alright, get this battery off. Extension 13. Got to wear a jumper, 'cause it's bloody gravel. Right, laying on that. Rusty. 10. Grab me hammer. Yeah. It's got a little gearbox on this as well. Nice. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Japan squeezy. Right, that line of sight, you can go away. Clip. There you are. Right. Right there, bend that out of the way. 13. Right. Pass that ratchet over there, son. Yep. That's a ratchet. The ratchet. I want to get a new one of these next week. Remind me, I keep forgetting. I want to get that we know that one.
Impact one.
Yeah, that powerful thing. in. That's it. I like to get all this out of the way. You can leave it on, but I prefer to get it all off. I think that's an 8 spline by the looks of that one, is it? Getting out. I've got 10's out already. Well, it's in the van. Jesus. God, what's the hell that? It's a bit rough, isn't it? I do like to get these out like that one. That's a bit tight. I have to stay in, not messing around. Where's the... What? Yeah, happy, right? Yeah. I'll do that phone in a socket. Where'd that go? You watch it? No. Ah, where'd that go? There, an extension. Ah, there it is. Bloody hell. Only thing when you buy black tools, it blends into everything. Alright. Get me a little thin black flat-end screwdriver.
What, in point one?
Yeah, a little small one. Nice. Oh, no, that's right. Come off. Right, this light out of the way. Out of the way. Prefer this one because it gets straight in here. Look. Like pissing around. Right. 318mm bolts, that's it at the top. Top start motor one. Ugh. interesting to see how bad this flywheel is. It's shaking everything. Shit. Well, it's a proper mess. Right, top done. Let's cut down to the bottom.
Is it in gear?
Okay. Alright. T25s and 230s with the golden cover. Alright. Let's get this bad boy off. Okay, get that out of the way. Bend that round behind the intercooler pipe. That's out of the way. As that is, some screwdriver just fell out of the box. Nick mine. Got a hammer there?
Yeah. Don't hurt their tools.
Shut up.
More than
Dick.
10 now. Don't damage them.
Don't fucking throw the start motor in there.
Right, you'll find it.
Get me the 21 while you're up wandering around.
I'm wondering, I'm working.
You've done that, sorry?
Yeah.
16.
Yeah, this is done, yeah.
16. 16. 21 please, young man. And the gun.
You don't have the new 21.
I'll just shut the fuck up and get it.
I mean it. You're not having the new 21.
If you're on a double you carry on. Right, give me that fucking gun.
No, you must wait.
Oh, I've got one bolt to do.
It's alright, look.
Oh baby, come on man, I'm not waiting for you to...
Shut up.
You do everything backwards.
How's that backwards? I'm doing my work.
But now I've got to give it back to you to do the rest of the stuff. So just give it to me.
No, we've still got to bang it through. No. So it worked out straight.
Come on,
Worked out pretty well, wouldn't you say?
no, it ain't. Do it everything backwards.
How's that backwards? I'm going for the toes, I'm bang the finger.
Shut up.
It's not backwards.
Shut up. Right, okay.
Well, just give me a tool, mate.
Log.
Alright.
Alright, believe it or not, people. That's the bottom unbolted already. I've got that. Definite fucking piece of shit. Yeah. Da, 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 da. Right, so we'll get this out quickly anyway. Oh, we're here, might as well. We've been recording 3 minutes. We'll give something a bit more fucking look at. Get a bit. It's half of the arch out, bottom half. It's loaded T25s. Dusty. Get it out. Right, I'll cut. So we've got this one out. I was just doing that one. I don't have to do that quick. But, yeah, I'll cut to take that mount off and lifting it out. Alright. See you in about 3 minutes. Alright, take the little cup out, 6mm Allen key. Sometimes it all comes out, sometimes it doesn't. The battery works, it's a good gun. Yeah, a little bit. Oh, I've knocked the camera over. Asshole. Let that drip out a little bit. You can get the gearboxes in that with that cup on, but I did one the other day. It took me about 5 more seconds than usual to get the gearbox in, so it pissed me off. I'm not doing that. Just take the cup out. Give me some of that kitchen roll I got earlier. Let that drip for a bit. Right. 18s on that. Sure, there's 16s down here. Hang on. Yeah, I've got it anyway. It's all round here. I've got it all.
Oh, we've got 16 now.
Yeah. Alright. That's it. Lovely. That's that extension sponge. Oh. Right. Look how out of,
yeah, look, you can see there the rings.
Yeah.
As well.
Look how out of centre that is. I'm looking at dead centre from my eye. Look at that, miles out. Right, give me that line. Yeah, 12 point. Alright, I'm going to get all this off. And now I'm going to see where you can get this gearbox completely boxed up. I want to look at 15 metres. So that's for me lifting. As soon as I put the first bellows in bolting, I'm going to try and do it in 15 minutes, pair of us. Should be able to do it, no reason why not. But yeah. It's at the top.
Yeah, I know. Try over.
Oh. The new sockets. They've got a red band.
Are they in the centre or the left?
No, they've got a red band on them. They're 12 point. They're the only 12 points in there. Nine mil 12 points. Talk to the camera.
Talk me at the camera.
No, camera. Alright, get that module kit. It's in the side door of the sax box. Get that way out. A lot of the time on these ones, because you've got the holes in here, they all come completely built up. You just bolt straight on.
Built in.
Built up?
Yeah.
That's going to be fun. Guarantee this is completely jammed.
Yeah.
I might be able to move around. Get the bolts out. Okay. Let's put the jam that is. Give me a chisel. I can chisel this flywheel round a bit. Otherwise I'm going to have to cut it off. Get me
grind up.
I might be alright.
Grand?
What is that, a 10 that one I think, isn't it? Have we got a 10 out? I had it out up top.
What?
Spline 10.
No, a bit back, yeah.
Give me a 10 and a 12. And a 12.
Oh, and a 12.
Yeah, no, it might be more than that. It might be 12 or a 14.
And a 12, yeah?
Yeah. I can't remember what one it is. No, it's that one, that's alright. Gonna be fun.
Bang around a bit more, isn't it?
Yeah, it's jamming up though. Dust coming up and breaking this shit. There. Alright, ain't going that way. Right. Come on, go around. Ah, that's all right. Oh, lovely. Oh, that's perfect. So enough to leave that round then. That'll be all right. That's it. Perfect. Right. knackered that flywheel, isn't it? Seen better days. Right. Right, I'm going to let this camera cool down, change the battery. Then we're going to do one take, put it all back together, as usual. See how we get on. Right, let's cut back to the one that's got the custom flywheel on. And we're good to go. And we're back, people, again. Alright, yeah. Right, one's legs. Right, let's flip round. Right. Get smart bolt in. Bloody grease. That's grease. Right, let's do this.
Oh, you're right, sorry, was that your, I thought that was your foot.
Oh, it's right on my shin.
I heard it and I was sorry.
When you go out there, just get that long starter motor poked in the hole. Alright, 18. 18. God, get jammed up here. Right. Got it in the hole?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's the start.
No, yeah, just as long as it's in, that'll be alright. Bloody gravel. Right, let's get this in there. Let's find that in a second. There's somewhere.
His legs.
Well, I think it's gone there quick. Oh, that. Let's quickly get this fucker back together.
Where's the 8 mil for the squatting?
The 8?
Yeah. There's a 10 here I've got.
Alright, you ready? I'm used to it.
Is it?
I ain't used to it, bro. Should be on your long extension still, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, start. Gun. Where's it? Gun 21. Got there. 30 mil fucking nut. Put that in a sec. Oh, there you are. Gotcha. Hiding in the gravel as usual. Usual shit. Right, give me that thing. I'll quickly start one by hand. Started? Alright, go on.
Is it?
So, give it here. Up the drive shaft, we'll push it right in. So. twist it a bit. Just yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Get up top. Oh, that. That's 13. Gun.
Big gun, go ahead. Oh, pass that.
Alright, let's get up the top. Let's do this. 18. Bailey, off his gun. Put the wrong bolts in the mount.
No, they're the right ones.
No, you put the bellows bolt in the mount. Just take one out. The 18's under here. Take one out and I'll swap them over.
They're 18s, aren't they?
Yeah, I know, but they're the cable. Just take one out. Quick, I want it. Strap on there. 13. 13. Right, that's all done. "17 minutes. Right, let's go. Officially done. No vibrations now, look. Lovely. Perfect. Right, until next time, people. See you later.